The first thing you'll hear when talking about bodybuilding supplements is protein powder. It's everywhere, and for good reason. It works. Protein powders help repair muscles after a workout, boosting recovery and growth. Whey is the favorite because it's fast digesting. But let's not kid ourselves. No powder replaces real food. Supplements enhance your diet, not substitute it. Next up, BCAAs, or branched-chain amino acids. These sound fancy, but they're really just 3 essential amino acids, leucine, isoleucine, and valine, that help reduce muscle fatigue. Think of them as your anti-exhaustion helpers. Do you need them? Only if your protein intake is low or if you're training fasted. Otherwise, most people get enough through diet and protein shakes. Creatine. Now this one's a classic and arguably the most researched supplement in history. Your body naturally produces it, but a little extra can help with high-intensity exercises. Want to lift heavier or push harder for a few extra reps? Creatine's your ticket. The loading phase is optional. 5 grams daily is enough for nearly everyone without the extra math. Multivitamins often get dismissed as just pee-producing pills. But hear me out, if you're training hard and eating clean, you might be missing micronutrients like magnesium or zinc, key players in muscle recovery. A high-quality multivitamin fills the gaps. Just pick one that doesn't serve you 300% of the daily value in one go. Moderation matters. Pre-workouts, love them or hate them. Basically, these are glorified caffeine delivery systems with some extras like beta-alanine, tingly face. They'll fire you up for the gym, sure, but watch out for overstimulation. Too much and you'll feel like you're benching your own heartbeat. Pro tip, try half a scoop if you're caffeine sensitive. Fish oil is underrated for bodybuilders in my opinion. Omega-3s help fight inflammation, which is crucial after tearing up your muscles with heavy weights. Less inflammation equals faster recovery. Aim for at least 1,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA daily. If you hate pills, there are liquid versions that still taste like the ocean. Let's talk fat burners. Spoiler alert, they don't burn fat. They might help a little with appetite control and energy, but no pill replaces a calorie deficit. Harsh truth, I know. Focus on diet and training first. If fat burners worked like Instagram captions claim, we'd all have 6 packs by now. Glutamine is another supplement that pops up a lot, especially for recovery. But here's the deal. It's the most abundant amino acid in your body. Unless you're an endurance athlete or recovering from intense stress, you probably won't see much benefit. Save your money for something else, like food or weights. Casein protein is like whey protein's slower sibling. Take it before bed if your goal is to prevent overnight muscle breakdown during long fasting periods. It's not essential, but if you're chasing every last 1%, it could make a difference. Personally, I just stick to Greek yogurt. Cheaper, tastier, and just as effective. ZMA, zinc, magnesium, and vitamin B6 is sold as a recovery and sleep-enhancing supplement. And yeah, it might help if you're deficient in those minerals, but don't expect ZMA to knock you out like a tranquilizer dart. It's more about quality sleep than quantity. Also, eat some spinach or almonds. They're rich in magnesium. Testosterone boosters are marketed like magic potions for gains. Most of them, straight up garbage. If your T levels are legitimately low, talk to your doctor, not an Instagram ad. For the rest of us, consistency in training and sleep is better than pills pretending to turn you into the Rock. Finally, let's be real. Supplements are a 10% solution to a 90% problem. Your training, diet, and sleep are the big players here. Supplements can help, okay, but they're not your savior. Choose wisely, and don't let marketing hype outpace actual science. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and watch the gains roll in.